Hey guys, welcome to TSA. It's Forex James again with the Sunday analysis. It's the 22nd of December 2019. Start off with gold. Delete this. This pair is creeping its way to the upside. It continued to make a higher high, a higher low. Okay, if a mini uptrend here or an up channel basically within the bigger one. Okay, we're approaching a supply level that's been tested 1, 2. It looks to me that price will continue to test it another time, perhaps breaking it this time. Okay, the bears had a hard time. Okay, this second rejection was really strong, but it had a hard time pushing prices lower. What I'm seeing is that the bulls are jumping back in and are actually stronger than the bears. Okay, I'm biased for the upside for this pair. It's going to be a short trading week though, this upcoming week, because we have Christmas. Don't expect too much price action. The EU pretty much ranged the whole week. Okay, it formed this triangle, broke to the downside. I actually took a small loss here. I got into a buy trade because I saw that it's a place where I can get a good entry with a small stop, potentially getting a bigger reward. Okay, I got stopped out, no big deal. Price is moving away from this supply level, not too far away from this trend line. The area of action would be when price hits this trend line. Okay, that's where I'll be interested in engaging again. So we may see a small bounce off this trend line. Okay, since I'm quite bullish on gold and EU is quite correlated to gold as well. Dollar franc did the opposite of what EU did. Okay, relative to the upside. Had another range drawn like this, so it's moved quite away from this breakout of this range. Okay, could either be a pullback or reversal. Pretty strong up move here. We may see a change of direction here. Okay, but it's too early to tell because we're still somewhat testing this trend line. Okay, should this pair go down, fail to make a new low, then it's to the upside. Okay, or else we may see further move to the downside. Okay, so where we are right now is actually a good PRZ spot to take a trade and see how it plays out. Okay, smaller supply level. Okay, this is probably more visible on the H1. Okay, so wait and see for the dollar franc. UCAD, this divergence did play out for a bit. Okay, I got into a trade. It was shared with my VIP members. We had a very bullish daily candle here. Only lasted for a day or so, okay, before the bears jump back. Okay, but pattern that seems to be playing out is a wedge. Okay, this is a reversal wedge. It's supposed to reverse at the tip of this wedge, okay, according to the textbook. With that being said, we may see another attempt to push to the downside. Okay, there's also another significant demand level, slightly lower. Dollar yen did not make a breakout this week. Um, had many attempts here to push prices higher. It kept failing. Okay, it's Friday, Thursday was the last push it tried, and then Wednesday, Tuesday was Monday here. Okay, so gotta change my bias. Okay, I'm seeing that the level may hold for a while. Price may actually test this trend line. Kiwi is basically trapped in this range. This is a bigger range. Okay, if you want to draw another one, there's another range here. Okay, where previously it was resistance that turned to support. But if you're looking at the daily, then I'm not bearish on this pair yet. I'm not bearish on this pair. I'm not extremely bullish either. So I don't see any signs that it would reverse to the downside. This bearish candle is not enough. Okay, in this context of very strong uptrend, we need to see price range first, and then it's got to battle it out before the winner will emerge. Okay, but I'm seeing a range play. Okay, there is another range. There's another pattern that formed, which is a broadening standing wedge, like that. Okay, so price may actually make a push to the upside and to test the highs here. Australian dollar, pretty much same story as the Kiwi. This was what I drew last week. This trend line made more sense. Okay, this was also called in my VIP. This turn to the downside. What I said last week was that it's not quite the turn I'm looking for. Okay, I need to see more of a bearish price action to be bearish on this pair. I was forecasting another attempt to push the upside. Okay, it's probably due the upcoming few days, so we'll see if it's gonna do that. But I'm bullish on this pair. Last pair, the pound respected this weekly support level and has just been going down for the past 5 trading days. Okay, pretty much the whole week. We are nearing a level here. We may see some sort of a bounce. Okay, that's what levels do, guys. If it's a demand level, then we may see a quick bounce, and then price will decide should it completely bounce off it or further break it. Okay, levels are just like stop points. Okay, those are good areas for us to enter as well, because levels usually provide us with the best risk to reward trades. Okay, if you're entering in the middle of nowhere, then your stop loss is just, it needs to be wider. Okay, but if you're on a level, then you can speculate that if this level holds, if it's gonna go up, I could use a tighter stop and get a bigger yield out of it. Yeah, that's all there is to trading. You keep taking good trades like that, and you'll be good. Okay, that should do it for the 8 pairs, guys. Good luck in your trading. Happy holidays. I'll see you next Sunday.